D.I.Y. Blazin Coop. Sauce. We've got fries. We got napkins. We got the chicken. Bok bok. Now doesn't that look crispy? Look at that. Amen, brother. That is so good. How are we gonna turn this into Blazin Coop? First, we gotta roll up our sleeves. Cut the chicken. Happy birthday to you. We being mad aggressive with this chicken right here. Ah, it's hot. I wish I lived in Michigan. Cause then I can have Blazin Coop every day. Uday uye understand hey ime. Wait about hey uye. It's hot. It's super hot. I promise I'm like this in real life. The fries! We're gonna pour the fries in. Gonna mix it all in. Blazin cat. Look at that cat. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's a good cat right there. He's misogynistic. Okay, is that all my chicken? No, of course it isn't. Okay, guys. So we cut up all the chicken, mixed it in, and now my hands are super dirty. You want some? Now we gotta mix in the sauce. First up, the Nashville hot sauce. Spicy mayonnaise to neutralize. And lastly, our sweet chili for more neutralizing. Does that not look like the most delectable DIY Blazin Coop you've ever seen? We're gonna try. It got nowhere. Oh! Oh! The top layer is mixed, but I'm gonna have to mix it with the fork. The fork. What the fork? Make sure you really put your back into it. I think we're just about done here. Look at this beauty. Looks like the real Blazin Coop. Let's try it, guys. I have a really big mouth, but that's super good. Thanks for joining, gang. This is so delicious, and I'm gonna go enjoy it now while I talk to my friends. Thank you if you watched this far, and if you didn't. Okay. Bye!